Na 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 na. So this part was never there. We always had only the Latin style of groove. Once you combine that with the pianos, that's the main dhacha of the song. The most amount of Italian part comes around this point in the song.
Baby, cosa c'è? Parlami di te.
I think that's Pritam Das' genius. How he does that, only he knows. Hi, this is Aman and you're watching me on Mashable Tod Phone. We had this song and just the hook line of it, like na 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 na. And I remember there was a friend, Rahul Tiwari, who made the Latin piano arrangements on it. There was brass, there were percussions. Dada played me that scratch and immediately I had like 808 beats in my mind. I told Dada, why don't we make this a Latin hip hop something? आप अगर नोटिस करेंगे तो इसका टेम्पो भी स्लो है. जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि वी हैड टू हिप हॉपिफाई इट इन अ वे. द फर्स्ट थिंग जो मैंने किया, I'll play you the groove and the bass only, which I added on to this later. So this part was never there. We always had only the Latin style of groove. Once you combine that with the pianos, that's the main dhacha of the song. सबसे पहले हम वो पियानो सुन लेते हैं. Adding some string stabs on this. Now we'll move to brass and horns. So the lead element, which is this. इसमें combination of pipes and strings है. If I solo the pipes, it sounds like this. So I took this splice sample, which sounded like this. And you can notice कि इसमें कुछ टुकड़ा लिया, for example ये लिया, ये लेके, and then you add this, which is probably again just a chunk from this, right? And when you take that, I got my first half of the riff, right? That's how the riff is made. Now I'm soloing the groove, the Latin pianos, the string stabs, the brass stabs, and our top line, which is the riff I just showed the reconstruction of. Together they sound like this. There's a ton of shouts going on. You know, some things are not even in tempo. अब आप जब इसको गाने के साथ कंबाइन करके सुनो, shout में we have this chorus, which is the main design from the vocals. Come get me now. Like I said, the song was supposed to be a little seductive. तो एक female perspective से chorus में ये बोला गया है, come get me now. Come get me now. Right? Now we can move on to the mukhada. I want to break down the individual layers of shouts we have. So shouts first, we have this hey. Then we have this African sample. All of these are samples. Some of the shouts are off-timed. Yeah, that delay on it is not perfectly in sync. All the shouts together during the hook. Groove में बहुत simple एक kick है, clap है, hip hop, and then hats, which is typically like just another hip hop groove. There are some elements which make this whole groove special. That pulse I showed, which amplifies during the antra, इसी का छोटा भाई, right? And then you have some mid perks. Now for people who know, if they have heard Drake, particular sample is inspired from Hotline Bling. Together when you play those things, we have chorus in this, which is sung by Brianna, Sheena, Shreya and Antra. And the lead vocals, male lead vocals are sung by Raghav Chaitanya. That's for the mukhada. अगर हम पियानो और बेस और वोकल को सुने,
दिल है तभी मुश्किल है
which is the main harmonic structure. Same thing हम beats add करके सुन रहे हैं.
वो करे तो कर क्या दिल है
जो क्रॉस है एकदम से लगेगा कि इस झोल में आपने कुछ सरप्राइज एलिमेंट दिया है. What I'm talking about is
पड़े अगर तेरे लिए मर भी जाना
because if the same झोल was going on throughout the मुखड़ा, क्रॉस में भी अगर आपको सेम झोल मिलता, हुक में भी आपको सेम झोल मिलता, तो वो उतना कट थ्रू नहीं होता, राइट? सो एज वी नो माशुका हुक लाइन सबसे ज्यादा वर्क किया है इंस्टाग्राम पे. इट्स प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज ऑफ दीज बिल्ड अप्स एंड ऑल.
कर दीवाना मामा माशूका
Now let's come to the hook, the very basic pickup before the hook. I don't have too much build up in the drums. The main build up was the brass and the bass. In a pop song, your vocals always come first and then everything has to sit behind it. तो हुक के पीछे जो पियानोज हैं वो कुछ ऐसे हैं. Without the pianos, you will not have any of that Italian or Latin feel or the whole European thing. Everyone felt कि इस गाने को अगर असली इटली का कलर दिखाना है तो इसमें इटालियन रैप की ज़रूरत है. तो महमूद came in. It's also like the prelude to Come Get Me Now. Moving on from this part, the song goes into the antara. Again, you will listen to more energy because we have this percussion going on. It feels like कि आप किसी surface को scratch कर रहे हो किसी metallic या wooden brush के साथ. So the groove of the antara sounds like this. Normally if you put like a what if you added a pulse side chain that goes taka 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 taka, the antara going towards the second half, it just adds a transition element of sorts. Now this goes to a part which is sung by Harjot. That goes into the cross, which is the same melody as the मुखड़ा. Just यहाँ पे उसके lyrics change हुए हैं, वो Italian हो गया है. मुखड़ा में हमारे पास वो part ऐसे था.
पड़े अगर तेरे लिए मर भी जाना
Same melody. Second time around, we had to have that recall going into the hook. The way the hook comes, it's almost the same. Pickup में थोड़ा सा कुछ add हुआ है, if you notice, like tak 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 trrr dik. Just adding a slight edge of hammering the hook more. Hook 2 से हम फिर outro की तरफ जाते हैं. But as you will notice that the most amount of Italian part comes around this point in the song.
Baby cosa c'è, parlami di te.
I think that's Pritam Das' genius. How he does that, only he knows. He used the Mashuka phrase and came up with another part that's so catchy. Like, I just had this melody in my head with this outro, which was like dum taram tarara dum tara tarara dum tara. इसमें उतना लो एंड नहीं है, तो जो लो एंड वाला बेस है जो 808 था वो इसके साथ कैसा लगता है एक बार देखते हैं with the beats. Now, if you want another melody to cut through, it's not a mid, it's not a low thing that will cut through. You need something that is high. So in the pianos, I just switched up the whole Latin aspect and added one layer that does this. Piano, synths, plucks combined with our bass and the beats. Notice how it's like a very pop thing to do. Not very complicated, not too jumbled up. Just a simple melody with that beat. Now another thing that I'll like to dive into here is the synths that have been added. Very dreamy, combined with the beats. And then they added some pretty nice sounding harmonies.
Mashuka, 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 mashuka.
Layered with the lead vocals.
Mashuka, mashuka, mashuka.